So friends, in this video we're going to know that how much it will cost for installing the bathroom wall tiles and what are the advantages of a beautiful bathroom tiles. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. A beautiful bathroom wall tiles offer a range of advantages, both functional and aesthetics. First one is the tiles enhanced designs. Tiles comes in various colors, textures and patterns, allowing for creative and visually stunning designs. You can choose the tiles that reflect your style, creating a luxurious look based on your preference. So friends, these are the some advantages of bathroom tiles. Now we will going to know that how much it will cost for installing the bathroom tiles. So let we take some example like that our bathroom size is 7 by 4, that means 7 feet length and 4 feet it is width. That means our two side of walls will be 7 feet and another two walls will be 4 feet. So if we'll add this 7 plus 7, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22, but we have to minus where the door comes. So if we'll minus the 2 square feet, so 22 minus 2, it will come 20 square feet. So the total size of the bathroom is 20 square feet for bathroom wall tiles, and let me consider that we are putting the tiles on the height of 7 feet. So if we'll multiply with 7 into 20, the total comes is 140 square feet. So we have to install 140 square feet wall size. And now we will talk about the tile size. The tile size is 18 by 12. That means one tiles which covers its size is 1.5 feet length and 1 feet is breadth. So we will multiply that 1.5 into 1, which comes is 1.5 square feet. And in one box 6 tiles comes, so that means if we multiply that 6 into 1.5, the total will come is 9 square feet. So then one box area, one box tiles will cover total area is 9 square feet, and our wall size total area is 140 square feet. So if we'll divide the 140 divided by 9, it comes 15.5. That means we require the 16 boxes, and per box price starts from, if you'll go with the brands like Kajaria, Somani, Orient Bells, Johnson's, so it will starts from 400 rupees to 500 rupees per box. Even if you want to go with the local brands, the good tiles which comes from starts from 200 to 250 rupees. So we will take the measure box price of branded tiles. So the total price per box is, will consider 450 rupees. So if you will multiply that 450 per box into the required number of box is 16. So 450 into 16, which comes 7,200. That means our tiles cost for 150 square feet wall is 7,200. The tiles, the price which I am mentioning is the branded tiles. Another material which we have to add is the cement. So one bag of cement covers 60 to 72 square feet area. So we require total 2 bags of cement. So one bag of cement is 400 rupees. And that means we require 2 bags. The price of cement goes 800 rupees. We have to add another 800 for this. And another materials, adhesive. But adhesive is not required when we are constructing a new bathroom. It is for the renovating we require the adhesives. So we will not add this adhesive. And one of the most important part is the labor cost for installing the bathroom tiles. So the labor start charge is 15 rupees per square feet for installing the bathroom wall tiles. So if we will multiply this 140 into 15, the total comes is 2100 rupees. That means for installing the labor charge is 2100. So now we will add all this cost. First one is tiles cost, which is 7200. Second one is the cement, 800 rupees plus 2100. The total price for installing the 140 square feet wall of bathroom is 10,100 rupees. So this is the way to calculate the bathroom tiles size, price, and friends, the price which I'm mentioning for the tiles is the branded tiles. If you want to go with the local brand, you will get in less price, half of the price, which is 250 rupees. So it totally depends on your budget. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, because here you will get the latest and modern interior tips and ideas.